Although most cameras cut out a slice of the world for posterity, dual lens models take the opposite approach. These 360-degree cameras record everything around them, so you can share footage on VR platforms or creatively reframe video to fit a 16:9 screen. 360-degree video cameras should appeal most to thrill seekers who want to go beyond what a single-lens GoPro can capture, as well as to travel vloggers who like to guide viewers through famous locales, but realtors and interior designers who want to show off homes and produce virtual tours are better off with a photo-first model. Ricoh offers virtual tour software for its Theta series, and Matterport is a familiar name in the real estate photography space. With that in mind, here are our top picks for 360 photo and video cameras, along with some guidance for each category. We've listed the top 360 cameras and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, top5gadgetsreview.com. Number 5. Ricoh Theta SC2. If you're a fan of 360-degree real estate photography, then the Ricoh Theta SC2 4K spherical VR camera could be just what you need. Its sleek, portable, and lightweight design means you can take it with you wherever you go, making it the ideal camera for capturing panoramic views on the move, even for beginners. With its high-speed interface-compatible image sensor, the Theta SC2 is capable of recording 4K video. Additionally, the camera is equipped with a shake correction function to ensure your footage is stable and smooth. It also allows for up to 3 minutes of recording time. The Ricoh Theta SC2 boasts a dedicated night mode, which enables it to capture stunning virtual tours under artificial lighting conditions. It's no surprise that this feature has earned the camera high praise from users who have reported great results in projects such as 3D house tours and interior design. Its only downside is the HDR camera, which can make the exposure too blown out if the lighting from, for example, a bright sky is too bright. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is the ultimate immersive and versatile video camera. It very literally captures everything around you, enabling you to create 3D VR content easily or use its software-based reframing tools to edit your scenes as regular flat video, where you can track subjects, create panning shots, and basically point the camera where you like after or you've shot your video. Weight: 180 grams. Dimensions: 114.0 x 46.0 x 30.31 millimeter. Stills resolution: 72 MP. Video resolution: 5.7K. Memory: micro SD. Battery life: 81 minutes. Waterproof: yes, plus dive case available for 50 meters. Having said that, and despite all its great new features, the Insta360 X3 does feel like an evolution of the concept rather than a giant leap forward. For us, that's only likely to come with 12K capture and the ability to reframe and export 4K movies. For now though, the X3 is still just about the best, friendliest, and most exciting 360 camera on the market, and the software tools on phone, Mac, and PC have come a long way. Number 3. Ricoh Theta X. Whether the Ricoh Theta X is going to appeal to you will depend on what kind of content creator you are. If you're looking at this 360 degrees camera as an alternative to a GoPro action camera, then bear in mind that its image stabilization, despite working on higher resolutions than on a GoPro, just isn't as good. Vloggers should also look at the Theta X with suspicion purely because you can't use an external microphone with it. So who is the Theta X actually for? With so many built-in and convenient features, we're sure the Theta X will be a good purchase for anyone after an easy-to-use, versatile, and high-quality 360 camera, though at this high price, it's a serious investment. Weight: 170 dimensions, 36.2 x 51.7 x 29 millimeters. Stills resolution: 60.5 MP. Video resolution: 5.7K 30ths. Memory: micro SD plus $GB internal storage. Battery life: 30 mins, 5.6K, 2.25-inch color touchscreen, 60.5 megapixel still images, low light performance. However, we think photographers looking for a 360 degrees camera with core quality will love the Theta X. When combined with its excellent coloring and low light abilities, the Theta X's ability to shoot stills in 11K resolution lifts it above the competition, but its lack of raw capture slightly undermines that option. Number 2. Insta360 One X2. The Insta360 One X2 is the best 360 camera for most people. That's because, like its predecessors, the Insta360 One X2 has the most innovative software and features in addition to being a great piece of hardware. While larger than the Insta360 One X, the One X2 is now water-resistant to 10 meters, 33 feet, and has a circular touchscreen display that lets you preview video and change settings on the fly. It also has a longer battery life of up to 80 minutes. The One X has an updated image stabilization feature that will make even the bumpiest videos look smooth and can capture 5.7K video, 5760 x 2880 at 30 fps, and 4K video at up to 50 fps. Its flow state image stabilization algorithm helps smooth shots, and a time shift feature lets you slow down or speed up specific segments of your videos. Video resolution, 5.7K, phone support, Android iOS, water resistance, 10 meters, battery life, 80 minutes, storage, micro SD, size, 4.5 x 1.8 x 1.2 inches, weight, 5.3 ounces. Number 1. GoPro Max. If you want to record immersive videos of sporting excursions or outdoor adventures, the GoPro Max is still a decent choice for the task. The GoPro Max is waterproof down to 5 meters, 16.5 feet, without a case, and the editing workflow through the app is relatively straightforward. If you want to turn your 360 degrees video into a traditional 2D movie, one of the innovations facilitated by 360 degrees cameras, the app's over-capture software makes the job easy. Weight, 115 grams. Dimensions, 25 x 64 x 69 millimeters. Waterproof, yes. Photo resolution, 18 MP. Video resolution, 5.7K. Memory, micro SD not included. Mount, tripod socket. Battery life, 85 minutes. The GoPro Max expands many features of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, its predecessor, including hyper-smooth stabilization and 360 degrees time warp footage. Qualitatively, the photo and video results are slightly poorer than those of other contenders in this ranking. If you want to do 360 degrees photography like virtual tours, we advise you to turn to other models like the Insta360 RS 1-inch or the Insta360 One X3. On the other hand, the GoPro Max is solid and waterproof. Equipped for sports outings, it frees you to capture the drama of the moment without sweating over the direction of the shot or the integrity of your device.